Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to hard reset Samsung Galaxy S25. Okay, so let's begin. First option is going to Settings, simply scroll down into the About phone. Scroll down again a little bit and then click on Reset. If you don't have backup made, please made. In our channel we have a video how to do it, so you can search for it. And now simply click on Factory Data Reset. Remember that all of your data will be lost and deleted, so backup is a nice option. Okay, and now when you simply click Reset and follow the prompts, the phone will be resetted and you will need to set it up again. But the second option is using the recovery mode when you don't have the access to the settings. So to do the hard reset by the recovery mode, you will need a PC and USB cable. So now simply connect the cable. Okay, and the other part of the wire to the computer. Okay, and now first we need to delete out to turn off the phone. To do this, simply hold the power button and the volume down button until this menu shows up, and now simply click on power off, tap again, and the phone will be turned off. Okay, and now how to enter the recovery mode. Simply hold the power button and the volume up button at the same time until the Samsung logo appears. So hold. Okay, we can release the finger from the power button, but if you want to make sure that we enter the recovery, simply still hold the volume up. Okay, now we are in the recovery mode. To navigate through, we use the volume buttons. If you click volume down, we go down, volume up, we go up. That's pretty easy. Okay, and now we want to go into wipe data / factory reset, confirm by clicking the power button, wipe all user data. This cannot be undone, remember it, that all your data will be lost. And now simply click on factory data reset and confirm by clicking the power button. Okay, that's it. And now simply click on reboot system now. And that's how you perform reset through the options and through the recovery mode. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.